Hello viewers, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to learn about how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So drop-down list is very essential to make the data entry easily. So that's why I am going to show how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel for data validation. As you know, data validation is an important part for data analysis or working on Excel. So data validation can uh, create a easy cleanliness when someone going to enter the data in Excel. So it is very useful. So let's get started. First of all, we'll learn the first question, that what is drop down list. Drop down list is nothing but just make a drop down list from a data range to make a easy entry. So you can see here that the table, here is my table, and I will show here how to enter the data in the product column by using drop down list. So it make easy to enter data. You cannot, if you want to make a wrong data, then it's not possible if we use the data validation or drop down list. So what to do first and how to make the data validation or drop down list. So to make the data validation, you need to make a list first here. So I am just going to press equal sign and writing the unique formula. Here is the unique formula. Click on it, and the dialog box say array or data range. I am going to just select the array. Here is the selected. So press comma, and for true means return unique columns and false means return unique rows. I am just typing false and clicking on false because I am just return the unique rows. So click on false here and close the parenthesis and press enter. So here you can see the list. This list is product name. So I will make the drop down list from the product name, list here. So to make a drop down list, click on the cell here like product name. Just click on here and go to the data tab. Here is the data tab. You can see here is the data tab. Go to data tab, click on data, and just go to the data tools here, and here is the data validation. You can see the data validation. So here is the data validation. So we have to click the data validation here. Click on arrow and click on data validation. Okay, here is the dialog box, data validation setting first, then it is the arrow. You have to click here. Here is the list, item list, how we work: any value, whole value, decimal, list, date, time, text, length, and custom. So today I am just clicking here the list because I'm going to make a list. So click on list here. Here is the ignore blanks. If the data have the blank, then it will ignore it. And second option is in cell drop down. So this means you can make a drop down in a cell. So it's okay. Then I have to select the data range. This means source. So just select on, click on here the arrow. Okay, then I'm just clicking the range of product name. So click, just select the range and go to the OK. If you go to the OK, then it will make the range here. So just click on OK. Here you can see the arrow. Here you can see the arrow. This arrow means here is the list which you have already included. So click on the arrow. Yes, you can see the list from that data source. So it can make easy to enter your data. You can click on here this apple. Okay, then here is the no data validation in the cell, because I'm just make the data validation or drop down list for the first row. Then I have to just click on here or drag it down to the bottom. Then it's already make it. You can change it according to your name requirement. You can change it according to your name requirement. Okay, and it make very easy to enter data. You no need to put any wrong data. If you want to go to put any wrong data, that you can't put the wrong data here. Like I'm going to just writing double A and press enter. Then the Microsoft Excel dialog box show us this value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. So you can't input any value without the range here. So it is very fantastic tool to data entry related work. So you can manage this here to make it very lucrative, like input message, like error alert, and then like title. If you want to write the title in your own way, then you can make it that the data is the data is not correct here. So click on OK. So if you want to press a wrong data, then here is the data is not correct here. Here is the input dialog box. So you can easily modify it by this way. So I hope you enjoy this process, and it is very useful to work in Excel. So here is the way, and this is the validation actually, how to validate your data. You can't, if you execute the data validation or drop down list from this data tab, then you can't, or anybody can't input any wrong data from this for this cell. So it is it make it right data analysis. No wrong entry will be happened by this data validation. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will come back later with a VLOOKUP or index match topics in the next video. So see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.